What's up guys, it's Lioree back again with another video. Today I have a little unboxing to do for you guys. I'm super excited. I purchased these sparkly, blingy designer pacifiers from this company called Lioree. I got sucked in while I was scrolling on Facebook, and you know those Facebook and Instagram ads will get you every time. And I saw this beautiful, gorgeous, I think it was Dior or Chanel pacifier, all blinged out, and I was like, oh, Gianna of course has to have one of these. The comments on this little ad were hilarious. There was a lot of people clowning people like myself for spending $40 on a pacifier, but hey, I only have one baby, y'all, and I love her to death. And it just so happened that the pacifiers they use are Nooks, and that is literally the only pacifier she will take. So at least I know she'll actually use these. They're super cute, and you know what? I splurge on myself all the time. Why not splurge on my baby? So I had to pick up a couple of pacifiers. They also make matching clips for them. I'm hoping I didn't get catfish, because you guys know how those Instagram ads are set up, okay? They will catfish you, honey. They will catfish you for some wigs. They'll catfish you for some eyebrow stamps. They'll catfish you for a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm hoping these are really, really cute. I haven't seen any reviews yet on this, so I wanted to make this video. So if they're cute, y'all will know. If they're not cute, y'all will know. If all the rhinestones and stuff are falling off the second I take them out of this package, you guys are gonna know. This is a real review. So I just got this package in, and you're gonna open it with me. So it took about like 3 weeks to get here. So I don't know where it was coming from. Maybe they're handmade and it took some time to create them. But it took about, yeah, 3 weeks to get to my house. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So packaging is iffy. Okay, I don't know even what this is. It's a bent up box with their logo, but they might be a new company. You know, this could be very well like a stay-at-home mom that just started making these things. I'm not sure the backstory or anything. I just saw diamonds and I had to purchase it. Okay, so let's see what these are looking like. So they came in like a package like this. Not the cutest packaging for the price that I paid, but I'm okay with that as long as the product is good. So then the pacifier itself is in this like black box. So far it looks very cute, but let's take them out and see. Okay, cool. So they like come in a holder. Gorgeous. It's like a mother of pearl circle with a butterfly, and it's actually like really well made, it looks like. And the rhinestones are flat. They're not, I thought they were going to be like bulky sticking out. They're really flat and pretty, you guys. So I also got a matching clip for the butterfly pacifier. I got a butterfly because, you know, butterflies are a thing, and Gianna and I love Mariah Carey, and you know, Mariah is all about her butterflies. So here's the clip. Now I was worried that the clip was going to be really thin. Here's the diamonds. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Don't mind my ugly ass nails, you guys. I'm a first time mom. I get all the slack cut, right? And if you're wondering where Gianna is, she's napping. She's taking a nap. Here's the back of the clip. This goes here, like this. So cute, you guys. I can't wait to take pictures with these. Look how beautiful that is. I got white instead of pink so it'll match more stuff. So let's look at the other one. So I got her something girly and pretty. Butterfly, matching clip. But I also got her some ghetto fabulous, honey, because, you know, we like exposing our little gangster side here and there. So I also got her a Versace one. Yes, that's ghetto fabulous and I don't care. But here it is. They got the Medusa head and everything with the rhinestones around it. That's gorgeous. And then I got a matching clip with that one as well. Oh wait, I'm sorry. That clip I just showed you was the one that goes with the Versace pacifier. Just the basic rhinestone clip. This is the one that goes with the butterfly. It actually matches. She'll have the butterfly set. And then she'll have her Ghetto Fabulous Versace set. We'll see how they hold up and stuff, but as far as first impressions, I'm super excited and not disappointed in my $100 spent, okay? Now, when I purchased them, they were having like a promo code. You get 30% off, so I'm not sure if they're still having that deal. I will do an update, you know, after a few months, see how they hold up. Of course, we're not going to be using these pacifiers as like our daily pacifiers. It's more for like pictures. Maybe we're going somewhere out cute. But no, these are not going to be like her everyday, you know, pacifiers or whatever. But so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you want more unboxing videos or hauls regarding baby clothing, baby accessories, I'm always shopping for Gianna. I can share more of that stuff with you guys if you want. Just drop a comment below if that's something that you would like to see. And also make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you can see more mommy, baby, and family videos. And until the next video, bye!